Because there are so many possibilities, JavaScript developers frequently become confused when deciding which of the many frameworks available is best. While JavaScript offers a variety of frameworks, the two most widely used ones are Angular and react.js. Watch till the end to decide which one is right for you. Angular is a full framework for developing web apps. It is developed and maintained by Google and has a large community of developers who contribute to its development. Angular uses TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript, which adds type checking and other features to make the code more maintainable and easier to understand. Let's look at the pros and cons of choosing Angular over React. Pros. 1. Two-way data binding. You can link data to user interface components using Angular's two-way data binding feature, which updates the data automatically in response to user input. 2. Angular's Model View Controller (MVC) framework organizes complex code into three main components: model, view, and controller, each designed for specific development aspects. This helps manage hundreds or thousands of lines of code in a web app. 3. Dependency injection. DI is a fundamental concept in Angular, allowing classes to configure dependencies using Angular decorators. It involves two main roles: dependency consumer and provider. An injector abstraction facilitates interaction between consumers and providers, checking if an instance is available and creating a new one if needed. Cons. 1. The learning curve for Angular is steep, and it may take some time to become adept in utilizing the framework. 2. Angular's performance can be a challenge in large-scale applications. Thus, careful optimization is required to ensure fast load times and an easy user experience. React is a JavaScript library developed at Facebook, now Meta, and released in 2013. This open-source project has gained popularity for its ability to build fast, responsive, and beautiful user interfaces. With its component-based architecture, React also allows developers to efficiently create reusable UI elements, making it easier to manage complex applications. Let's look at the pros and cons of choosing Angular over React. Pros. 1. Performance. React's performance is excellent, and it is fast to load and render UI elements. 2. Virtual DOM. React uses a virtual DOM, which is a lightweight representation of the actual DOM. This feature allows React to update the UI efficiently and avoid unnecessary re-renders. 3. JSX. JSX allows you to write HTML-like syntax in JavaScript, making it easier to create UI components and manage statcons. JSX. While JSX is a powerful feature, it can be challenging for developers who are not familiar with it, and it requires a learning curve which takes time to be good at it. React versus Angular. Popularity. When it comes to the popularity of Angular versus React, Google Trends shows that React has the most searches. Furthermore, according to a recent Statista study, React secured the second rank on the list of the most popular web frameworks among developers globally. The Stack Overflow survey has ranked React as the second most popular web framework and technology for the past few years, with Angular coming in sixth. Angular or React, which to choose for your project? Choosing between Angular and React depends on your project's requirements, the team's skills and preferences, and your development timeline. Take into account the following factors if you are still unsure between React and Angular. 1. Project requirements. Consider your project's requirements and select the framework that best meets those requirements. If you need a complete solution with features like routing, forms, and state management, Angular may be the better choice. If you need a lightweight library for building user interfaces, React may be a better choice. 2. Team skills. Consider your team's skills and decide the framework that they are most familiar with. If your team has TypeScript experience as well as strong typing skills, Angular may be a better fit. If your team is more familiar with JavaScript and JSX, React may be a better option. 3. Development timeline. Consider your development timeline and select a framework that will help you reach your deadlines. Angular may be the better choice if you need to build a complete application quickly, while React may be the better choice if you need to build a user interface quickly. Angular and React are popular JavaScript frameworks for building complex applications. Angular is ideal for large projects, while React is lightweight for user interfaces. The choice depends on project requirements, team skills, and development timeline. Speaking of React, click on this over to learn more on 3 easy React projects for beginners.